Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really cool for all you Linux terminal fans out there. Superfile, a modern, lightweight file manager designed to make your life a whole lot easier. So, what exactly is Superfile? It's a terminal file manager built with a strong focus on a clean, user-friendly interface. Written in Go and using Bubble Tea for a beautiful, efficient experience right in your terminal, Superfile offers a fresh, modern look paired with powerful functionality, far from the clunky, outdated managers you might be used to. Now, you might be wondering why Superfile was built. The creator, frustrated with the lack of visually appealing and intuitive terminal file managers, decided to craft a tool that not only works seamlessly but also looks great and feels intuitive to use. If you're tired of interfaces that seem a bit old school, Superfile might just be the perfect solution. During our demo, you'll see that Superfile isn't just about looks. It's packed with impressive features. It offers a smooth and modern design, powerful functions to open, move, copy files, and manage directories with ease, along with high customizability that lets you change shortcut keys, theme colors, and even border styles to match your vibe. Plus, its multi-panel support lets you view multiple folders at once, making copying and pasting files incredibly efficient without the need to constantly switch back and forth. If you're ready to try it out, installing Superfile on your Linux machine is a breeze. First, ensure that you have the Nerd font installed for the best UI experience. It's not mandatory, but it really makes a difference. Then simply open your terminal and run one of these commands. In conclusion, Superfile is a modern, user-friendly terminal file manager that stands out with its clean design and efficient performance. If you're searching for a lightweight, visually appealing tool for managing your files, give Superfile a try. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring and happy coding.